I've been using the ULTRAHUMAN Ring Air for 9 months now. In my last review, I highlighted 5 areas that needed improvement, and today I'm revisiting those points to see what changes ULTRAHUMAN has made. And guys, this review will be 100% honest despite the fact that I received this product from the ULTRAHUMAN team. And yes, that's why I've got a 10 or even 20% discount code for you in the description. It depends on time when you're watching this video. Check the links and fasten your seatbelts. Let's go. The first thing I wanted them to improve was their ring sizing kit. Don't get me wrong, it was almost good, but I noticed something important. The actual ring and dummy ring in the kit were slightly different. Specifically, the actual ring was about 1 mm thicker, which can make picking the right size a bit tricky. Another suggestion I had was to include small samples of the available colors in the kit. It would make the decision so much easier. And guess what, guys? I have the new sizing kit right here, and they've really stepped up. They actually included the color options now. It is such a great addition and shows that they are listening. But what about the thickness of the dummy rings? Yes, guys, they've changed even that. And now those dummy rings almost the same as the original ones. The second issue I had was with the packaging. There was a nose-burning smell of glue inside the box, and the instructions seemed roughly cut, which didn't give the best first impression. And guess what? They've actually made some changes. The box is now different, and they even added stickers inside. How cool is that? And the awful glue smell, it's gone. Well, mostly. There is still a tiny bit of it, but it's not a big deal anymore. But the instructions and manuals are still roughly cut. Check this out. I don't know, they probably still have some leftover stock they're trying to use up. It's not a huge issue, but it's definitely something they could still improve. Next up is the charging dock. I've always thought that a portable case style design like ring cons would be such a game changer and make charging way more convenient. And yes, the charging dock has changed, but not by much. It's thicker now and logo is gone. Honestly, that's about it, but nothing else has improved here. So the fourth thing that I talked about in my previous video. Check this out. This was my old ring, and after just 3 months of use, it looked really scratched up. And to top it off, I ended by losing it. No idea where and no idea how, but now I've got a different ring, and the ULTRAHUMAN team has added an absolutely stunning new color option, raw titanium. That's the one I'm using right now, and I've been wearing it for another 6 months, wearing it everywhere in any conditions, and just look at this. Guess what? Scratches are barely noticeable. Sure, if you look closely you can see a few, but they're not obvious at all. I'd say this color is the best choice if you're worried about your ring getting scratched. You'll definitely like it. And finally, my fifth complaint was about the workout mode. Back then, it didn't really add much value. It was uncomfortable to use, buggy, and honestly just hard to start. Plus, the heart rate sensor wasn't even close to being as accurate as my trusty Garmin watch. And now I've noticed the ULTRAHUMAN team has made some solid updates to their app. They've added this new plus button, which makes starting a workout so much easier. You don't have to scroll down. Now it's always on the top. Also, more workouts are now being automatically detected, which is a big improvement. Plus, they added the calendar. Now you can see all your activities here and you can easily find them. But let's be real, you still cannot rely on it as a fitness tracker. But guys, from my experience, this ring is the best thing for sleep tracking. Much more accurate and much more comfortable than an Apple Watch or Garmin watch. It is obvious. This ring is great for health tracking and very comfortable to wear, but not for workouts. If you want to buy this ring with a discount, just check the links in the description. And if you want to see my other reviews on the channel, click on this video.